Hey guys, this is Andy with BoldGrid Support, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Custom CSS editor in the BoldGrid Crio theme. Alright, so before we jump in, why would we want to use Custom CSS? Maybe you want to make a specific visual change for a single element on your site, or maybe you want to make site-wide changes that may not be available in the customizer. So for this demonstration, I have this sample post I created. It's nothing too special, mostly some text with these two pre-tag blocks here and here containing some custom CSS code. Before I do get into this, using this feature does require some background knowledge or skill with CSS, or you might need to find a site like mine that can provide you with some pre-written rules you want to use. But since my content is already done, all I want to do now is make a couple specific visual changes so that we can see the custom CSS in action. Alright, so since this post already has these two blocks with my custom CSS code, I'm just going to add some custom CSS to make them look a little more like code. So as I mentioned before, the code is contained within a pre-tag, so I'm going to add some CSS to target pre-tags specifically. Lucky for me, the page we're currently looking at already has a rule to do exactly what I want. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this and then click Customize up at the top since I'm already logged in. Now that we've opened up the customizer, let's go ahead and add the rule that we just copied. So on the left, I'm going to go ahead and click on the CSS.js editor. And here's where I can actually add my custom CSS. I'm going to take the rule we just copied and paste it into the CSS code box. So right away, we'll see that those text boxes turn black with white text and they got this fancy border. Pretty cool, right? Since I'm already here, I'm going to add these other two rules just in case. You might notice that when I add these, they don't seem to do anything. There's not a problem with the rules I just added, they just aren't targeting anything on this page. So if you're trying to add a custom CSS rule and you're not seeing any changes, it might be because you're not targeting what you're trying to change specifically, which typically means making some adjustments to that rule. I'm not too worried about these not working for now, so I'm going to go ahead and publish my changes. Overall, if you know your way around CSS and know what you're trying to add, this feature is very powerful and super easy to use. Now that we've added our custom CSS and published our changes, I'm just going to exit the customizer so that we can see the changes in effect. Once this is loaded, we can see that as it was in the customizer, my pre-tags with our CSS code look like snazzy code boxes. I hope you guys found this demonstration helpful and informative. If you have any questions or if you want to know more, feel free to leave a comment below or head over to our support forums and other resources at boldgrid.com/support. And thanks for watching.